They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever.
Hi there, hey there, hello there. Good morning, guys. I'm checking in with you today, getting ready to start my day. Today I'm going to be having some roast in the crock pot, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Please don't mind the hair. Ain't it gorgeous? This is what it looks like when you just first wake up. So I'm going to have the roast in the crock pot for quite a while, so I just wanted to go ahead and get it on this morning, getting ready to head into work. So I get so distracted, I want to look at myself all the time, so if that's what you guys see, that's what's happening. But I'm going to go ahead and show you, what is this? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you the roast in the crock pot and the finished product. It'll probably take about 8 hours, maybe. I might leave it in there a little bit longer. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what I do to my roast, and I'm going to go ahead and do it now. So, bye. Hey, guys, I'm checking back in with you. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me while I'm doing this or not. Let me try it this way. Okay, so as you can see, we really like pepperoncinis in our roast. So I went ahead and I put those in, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the rest of what I do. I do put in a whole stick of butter. And for the seasoning, I just do salt. Pretty generous on the salt. My husband will still end up putting more. Sorry if it's shaky. I do put a little bit of onion powder. And then I also put pepper. Sorry, it keeps dropping down. I keep looking. Okay. And then I'm just going to put the lid on this. And then gonna let it cook, like I said, for about 8 hours, and I will show you the finished product. But yeah, so I'm really excited to eat this. This is one of our favorite meals on keto because it's very, very good, especially for one meal a day, like the way I eat. Sometimes, not all the time, as you can tell, but for one meal a day, this is great because the meat is so fatty and the butter adds on to it. Just overall, it's a great meal for keto. So I'll go ahead and show you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, checking in with you. This is what's going on right now. If you can see, the roast has been cooking. The butter is melted. Still not ready to go, but I'm telling you, it's already starting to smell amazing. Just wanted to give you a heads up, so I'll check in with you later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm checking back with you. So the roast is finally done. It is so very tender. I have tried it. It's amazing. So I'm going to be having this with some broccoli and cheese, and I'll show you that in a moment. I just thought I'd go ahead and get a full version, or not a version, vision of the roast so you can see that. So I will show you my plate in a minute. Bye. Hey guys, checking in. This is it. So that is my roast and my broccoli, and that will do it for me today on what I eat in a day. If I do check on eating anything else, I'll make sure to let you know. But so far, that's going to do it for me. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye. I just thought that I would show you a quick picture. If you're looking for more information, let me know. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below if you have any comments or questions. I'll be happy to answer you. This was my life a year ago in a wheelchair.